All right, kiddos, day number 2, comma rule number 2. What we've got here is a different structure. It goes a little something, something like complete sentence, then a comma, then a conjunction, then a complete sentence. We'll do a quick TO to make sure you remember what conjunctions are. You guys, conjunctions are those teeny tiny little words that join stuff together. You might be thinking, conjunction, junction, what's your function? Hooking up phrases and clauses and... I think I sang it wrong, but I think you get the point. The little words that connect your thoughts together, that link some stuff together, okay? So the structure for this comma rule that we're talking about is going to go complete sentence, then a comma, then a conjunction, then a complete sentence. We'll talk a little bit more about what conjunctions to use with all of these examples. So here's one. You know how much I love food, so here we go. I like Doritos, comma, and I like Cheetos. Do you see how I circled the comma here? I like Doritos. That's a complete sentence. I like Cheetos. That's a complete sentence. So we do have that structure working here. Complete sentence. I like Doritos. I is your subject. Like is your verb. What you likin'? Doritos. I like Cheetos. That's a complete sentence. You've got a subject, I, and a complete predicate, like Cheetos. So we've got a complete sentence here too. When we have a complete sentence here and a complete sentence here, and we want to join it together, we are going to join with a comma and a conjunction. In this case, the conjunction is and. Over here, down in this sentence, I like Doritos and Cheetos. Lots of times kids think that they put a comma here just because they see the word and they throw a comma like, oh, you need a comma before the and. Not true unless you're dealing with a complete subject, or a complete sentence and another complete sentence. Break it down, folks. I like Doritos, that's a complete sentence. Cheetos, that's not a complete sentence. Therefore, no comma necessary. Just, I like Doritos and Cheetos. Honey Boo Boo is overweight, so I hope she stops eating so much junk food. So let's break this down because we do have complete sentence, then a comma, then a conjunction, and then a complete sentence again. Honey Boo Boo is overweight. That is its own sentence. Subject, Honey Boo Boo. Predicate is overweight. What's she doing in that sentence? What is the subject doing in that sentence? Being overweight. Next sentence, I hope she stops eating so much junk food. I is the subject doing something, hoping that she stops. She being Honey Boo Boo. I am able to join the complete sentence, Honey Boo Boo is overweight, to the complete sentence, I hope she stops eating so much junk food, with a comma and the conjunction so. Comma, conjunction. There you go, guys. So, real quick, I figured it's probably a good time to just refresh the collective memory of the class what the conjunctions are. So here we go. Fanboys is a good way to remember it. For, and, nor, but, or, yet, and so. By far, your most popular ones are going to be and, but, and or. Maybe even so. Kind of old school. For is kind of old school. Nor is kind of old school. And yet is kind of old school. But I'll show you anyway. My dog Woody got his teeth cleaned and his doggy breath disappeared. We've got two sentences going on here. My dog Woody got his teeth cleaned. His doggy breath disappeared. I have joined these two complete sentences with a comma and a conjunction right there. Fantastic. Prince Charming better ask me to the dance, for I will die 1,000 deaths if he does not. This is the old school stuff I was kind of talking about. For. Comma conjunction, for sure, but here we go. Prince Charming better ask me to the dance is a complete sentence. I will die 1,000 deaths if he does not is also a complete sentence. For is a word linking them, kind of meaning he better ask me to the dance, 'cause if he doesn't, it's kind of like a fancy because. I can't play the harmonica, nor can I play the banjo. I don't want to eat beets, nor do I want to eat cauliflower. I shouldn't waste money, nor should I waste food. Now this is where grammar gets kind of weird because one could argue, wait a second. Are you trying to tell me that can I play the banjo is a sentence? Because it's not a question, it doesn't really make sense. Shouldn't it be, can I play the banjo? I don't know, can ya? When you connect it to when you connect it to the word nor, it just kind of works like that. You've got your helping verb, can, going with your main verb, play, and you kind of invert them. It's just a different structure than you're used to, and I would be remiss as your teacher if I didn't walk you through it, so that's why I'm doing it. I don't want to eat beets. That's a sentence. I don't want to eat beets. Do I want to eat cauliflower is kind of an inverted, weird sentence, but it's basically telling you that's the other thing that you don't want to do. I used to love Justin Bieber, but he annoys me now. I used to love Justin Bieber is a sentence. He annoys me now is a sentence, so we again have joined complete sentence to a complete sentence with a comma and a conjunction, in this case, but. Next. I want to go to the movies or I want to chill at the beach. I bet you can figure out what the two complete sentences here are and what the conjunction is. Complete sentence number 1, say it with me. I want to go to the movies. Complete sentence number 2, say it with me. I want to chill at the beach. And the comma and what conjunction are you using? Yep, in this case we've got or. Job. My brother can be annoying, yet I still love him. So here we go. My brother can be annoying. That's a sentence. I still love him. That's a sentence. Being joined together with a comma and conjunction, yet. My brother can be annoying, yet I still love him. It's kind of like an even though, like, despite that, this still happens. My brother can be annoying, but I still love him. So it's kind of a fancier as well. And I think